All right, four-wheelers, I'd like to give you all a friendly reminder that when you're going to take an exit, it's probably a good idea to plan ahead and not try to cut over at the very last minute. Because every once in a while, there's going to be a immovable object there to reject your exit, like this old boy right here found out in Chicagoland. We talked to the trucking company involved in this accident. Zach Meiborg says that his father was driving the truck and that everybody was okay. Four-wheelers, listen. Plan ahead, move over properly, and follow the laws. Safety first on those highways and byways. We're back to the wheels. 73s.
Looking for your next driving opportunity? Meiborg Incorporated is now hiring. Join a company built on safety, service, and reliability. Drivers come first at Meiborg Incorporated. Enjoy competitive pay, great benefits, home time options, and even a fuel bonus if you're ready to drive with us. Call 779-221-3602 or email recruiting@maiorginc.com today. Meiborg Incorporated, where professional drivers are always a priority.